What's going on, everybody? You know, it's JJ, you know, back at it. So, you know, on our way to the auction, you know, rain, sleet, or snow, gotta go to these auctions and try to make some money. So let's go head out to the auction in El Reno.
If you want to get ahead, sometimes you gotta go without, you feel me? You have to make a lot of sacrifices for this shit, man, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta get the fire extinguisher. Look at that. They had to get the fire extinguisher. Little Toyota caught on. Oh no, it's a Nissan. Little Nissan caught on fire. They had to get the fire extinguisher. Just because it's raining, the money don't stop you from getting the money. Rain, sleet, or snow. Get some footage. Woo! Look at that, raining ugly today. Hey, auction still going on. Money's good. Woo! Little rain ain't gonna hurt you. Forgot my jacket, didn't know it was gonna rain, so. Not a lot of cars today, you know. Because it's raining outside, don't mean the auction gonna stop. Only thing about when it's raining outside, it's harder to get any deals because everybody's stuck on the inside. So, you know, there's nobody walking out here, so you don't get any of those deals that slip through. You know, everybody's there and all odds on every vehicle that runs through. So that's the only bad thing about when you're buying in the rain. You usually have to give a little bit more money because, you know, nobody's out walking around checking out vehicles. You know, everybody just stuck in the lane checking them all out when they come through. So, you know, things get a little bit more expensive, but, you know, we still gonna walk around and give you this footage. I ain't got no jacket on, so yeah, alright. And a little water ain't gonna kill you. Ain't gonna kill me. But yeah, you know, we give you this auction footage, and you know, we gonna always give you some advice, you know, advice and knowledge to go along with the video. You know, can't just leave y'all out. You know, gotta give y'all some footage. You know. Look at that, still, as you can see, packed, lanes packed in here. Whew. Still packed up in here. A lot of people. No matter if it's raining. Woo. $4,500 for a 2013 Kia Optima, a hybrid, 124 on the mile. Seems like a fairly good deal to me. I don't know if hybrid's more. I don't know about the Kia hybrid. I know Toyota hybrid is good. I don't know much about Kia hybrids, but you know, $4,500 for a 2013 don't seem like a bad deal. Oh, you know, we back at it, done with the auction. We didn't get any cars today, but you know, it happens like that. You know, had to pick up my daughter. Say hey, Jake. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, so you know, we back at it.
And my tablet dropped it.
Okay, it's okay.
I want to pick up.
I'll pick it up. Yeah, so back at it. didn't get anything from the auction, but a little auction advice for you guys. What you can do when you're at the auction, you know, all the cars at the auction don't sell. So, you know, if you're not able to get to the auction early in the morning and get the vehicles checked out, you know, you can check them out through the end of the auction, basically all the ones that didn't sell. And what you can do is you can check them out. Sometimes they'll let you drive them and really check them out more in depth once the auction is over, and then, you know, you can negotiate one-on-one with that person who's selling that vehicle. So sometimes you can end up getting a car that you were looking for at the end of the auction just because it didn't sell. You know, maybe you go check out the car, and just because this person didn't want to get a price for it, you might want to get that price for it. And so like I said, at the end of the auction, that's what's one thing you can do. Just because sometimes cars run through the auction and then there's nobody over there at the time of the bidding, and the auction, then the car is considered a no sale, so the car just ends up going through. So you know, a lot of auctions, they'll have like a boarding list of cars that didn't sell. So, you know, you can go out there and walk out the yard and see the cars that didn't sell and make you a list, and then, you know, check them out. And then if it's something that you want to bid on, just go inside. Now you can just bid one, just talk to the dealer, or just have the people at the auction negotiate the deal for you with the dealer, and you don't have to go get into a bidding war with other dealers and other people who's trying to buy cars. So that's one thing you can do as well. That's just a little info that some people don't know, like you said. So sometimes, you know, and then, you know, sometimes people just get to the auction late as well. So you might get to the auction late, you might have missed some cars, but you know, wait till the auction over, look up on the board a list of no sales, and go out there and walk out there and see if there's anything to catch your eye, and see why it didn't sell. Like, did it not sell because it was mechanical, or didn't sell because of price? And maybe you can come to a better agreement on the price with the person who's selling the car, the dealership that's selling the car, and you maybe make you work out a good deal, and you get you a good car all at the same time. Well, like I said, without having to deal with bidding against anybody. So that's all the information I got for you in this video. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep growing, and I'm gonna keep giving you guys advice, and we're gonna keep growing together. And I appreciate all the love and support. I'm out. See you guys tomorrow.